So just quick tip for keeping your area clean when you're crafting. So I just finished this Halloween thing and I had these left over. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim them down right away. So yes, I could reuse all of this, but am I going to? No, I'm not. Be honest. This is a bigger piece right here that I will probably use, but this other stuff I'm probably not. So I'm just going to throw it away. This has the Star Wheels um, on it. So that's not big enough to use. So I'm going to throw that away. So I'm just going to cut it down and then put it in my with my other supplies. But you know, pretty quick and easy. I can cut it down and get it in my scraps bin, in my scraps folder. I can show you that too. Here, let me pause and go grab that. Well, for my craft foam, I have this folder that holds it, so I'll just stuff these in there. But my scraps bin looks a lot like this. It's pretty similar. So just add that to the rest and then go put it in my where all my paper is. I can do this.